Hello YouTubers. I'm going to do something on here that's very unconventional, maybe unheard of. Didn't think you could probably do this. But I've got an old couch my wife wants me to get rid of. It's kind of wore out. And I've got this crazy idea. You can go out and spend a whole lot of money on fancy dyes or $1,500 on a new couch. But this couch is kind of wore out. It's got spots, it's got stains, the arm's kind of wore out. You can see it's a leather couch. And what I'm going to do is, I found this can of paint at Walmart. And it even was messed up. I got it for $1 on their Oops paint section. And it's a very similar color. And I'm going to